Hello everyone, welcome to Publish Prime. This is a very quick video on answering the question, which is how to calculate the cover size on Amazon KDP. Before you go on to the cover, always make sure that you know the number of pages which you're going to have in a book, and you should also account for the pages which are related to introduction, preface, something else, or dedication page, or the end page which has the marketing material, like I have these titles or read these titles as well. So account for those pages as well. By pages I mean, in Canva for example, this page is counted as one single page. So if you count this and this, so it will be 2 page. Only remember this, don't get into the physical concept of the book, because then it's called sheet and spread and you'll get confused for no reason. So one page is this page. If you have these page numbers which Canva shows, if you have 200 of them, then that means you have 200 pages. That's it. Why this is important is because when you go to the Canva cover calculator, which is another very important resource for creating a book cover. For example, let me show you. I'll just select paper back, black and white paper, left to right, inches, select the trim size. This is another important thing which you will require before even thinking about creating a book cover or calculating the dimensions. So for example, let us take the very common size which is 8 by 10. And now say for example, initially you had 70 pages in your book, and I'll calculate the dimensions. Remember the figure here, which is 16.4 and 10.25. Let's change the number of pages by adding 3 extra pages and click on calculate dimensions again, and it changes again. Even this value after 0 point is very important, because it changes the entire trajectory of how the cover is designed or printed or trimmed. So please make sure that before creating the cover, you always have the number of pages ready with you and the trim size you're planning for, because based on the trim size you decide the pages or the page dimensions of the book and also the cover dimensions of the book. And this is how you calculate the KDP cover. And if you have a different book, of course you select 6 by 9, you again put the pages and calculate the dimensions, and you can have a different page size. So that's the reason trim size initially and the page count are necessary to calculate the book cover size on Amazon KDP. And I have ample of videos letting you know how to create Amazon KDP cover with the pages as well, so you can watch them. If you have any more questions about this, you can ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer them there, or I can create a new video for it. So thank you for your time and thank you for watching.